and my cousin.
Again.
Yeah. So if you didn't know that we did a video like before, so we did a
A
video.
few minutes ago, we just
Yeah.
wanted to go take like a tiny break and made a new video.
Yeah. If you wanna watch it, just go and watch it. Just click in his logo and yeah. If you did a video, guys, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button. Wait, nothing. I'm not outroing right now. I'm just saying if you did a video, make sure to subscribe. No. No. Okay, we're back.
No,
Oh God!
Yes, I love this.
My favorite one, the obby. Oh no, I hate
Bro,
it.
one of the rich people. For once.
Oh yeah, no, I hate the sport.
I love this.
There, I did it. Oh! The part I hate, I finally did it. Right. No! Oh, freaking! No! I didn't. You know, I'm gonna
Fell.
lose. You fell. I fell. I mean, the hell I'm gonna lose. What the hell? The people should.
I'm poor. I only got 100.
Guys. Don't die.
I got the speed coin.
Wait, I cannot jump. I'm gonna buy the speed coil. Speed coil, I already got it. No, I will buy it. Okay, I don't know how it looks like now. Where is it?
Yay,
It's the
I
item
won.
shop. Item shop.
Bro, I want it for
Now buy the first
300.
one. All I have is
300.
I have 300 too.
What the hell?
I have 100 because
You're right, not this part.
like trains.
Oh. Okay,
I
put the
hate
pause.
sports. I hate
What does this girl wanna play? Break in story? Whatever.
Mom!
No!
Mom!
she said break. She wrote break.
Mom!
I know.
Mom! Mom, I want to get the mom! Guys,
Stop!
You know,
Oh, how come I didn't buy before
I don't
that?
Oh, I
Guys.
lost because at the beginning.
I'm actually reaching to 500. If you want 500, subscribe.
Camera sensitivity.
I mean-
Does not want to make it 400. The red is correct too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any water.
Okay.
Water's done. Oh.
Okay.
Don't get her number.
Get it. Blue is correct, right? Please if I die.
No.
Oh my god, I win. Wait, what? Wait. What the heck? I'm not the winner. I have to wait till the end. Wait, what? I will die. Wow.
Since the yellow one.
I the heck won by myself. Are you freaking
Kidding me. You said, I want to get that money, please.
Okay, get it.
I know how to play this.
Eh.
I go in the middle of the hose. Oh, this is so freaking salty.
Really? I know, yeah. I know.
Oh my god, please don't write in the chat. I'm gonna get it. I wanna get it. No one else. Wait, what? It's what? Just,
So, guys,
can't I use it? Use for
You know.
future? How do I use it? How do I use it?
easy. There's no high.
How?
I'll tell you.
Just click on the button.
Yeah.
I am. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
game.
Yeah. I died in
Okay,
this
so
one.
watch what I'll say.
Red light.
No, it was lagging! Ugh, I hate the graphics. What? That's what you get now. Let's see. Oh my god, this guy's dying. Oh, there's only three people. You,
I'm one of them.
Kazim.
Give me salty.
Come on, go.
I did it.
You did it. Oh no, don't die.
Oh, you're still there?
Yeah, I died.
That's still there?
That is because I was lagging. That's why I get the same.
Johnson baby.
Ah.
I'm dancing baby.
Oh, am I lagging again?
Oh, God.
Can I stop lagging? Is it because the OBS or what? Okay, there's another one. Someone wrote in a freaking language. I don't know what's that. What's that language? Someone wrote in a.
I don't know.
I don't know what is this freaking language.
Ah!
It's Arabic.
Really? I didn't even know this language. Never.
Wow.
No, me. The only way I knew it was Arabic is because like I saw some writing in it. That language, I searched it up. It was Arabic.
Oh, okay. Didn't know.
Come on, no! Oh my god.
I wanna.
Oh, snowball fight!
Oh no.
Come on, we'll have to kill each other.
I'm gonna hide. You
Fine,
King.
fine.
Stop.
My name is Mr. King, not. Oh, my mistake.
How dare you?
My mistake, I
You know
said.
we're friends. We're like pretending friends, so no one kill each
Fine,
other.
just kill this girl only. Come on, kill her.
Oh, look at you join me.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna kill her, this girl.
Okay, yeah.
I know. I don't wanna
My
say her name.
friend.
Ha! Who's killing me?
Like
Me.
my classmate joined.
Okay.
Now my friends. What the hell is he doing here?
Die.
I can see your freaking name.
Die. Die. I said die. I said die. Die. Okay, she's
I'm
gonna
gonna get
get
that.
Why is everyone joining you today?
Okay.
My friend, she traveled. She's asleep.
Oh god. Oh, bubble wrap. Oh
Oh, I
yeah.
love bubble
Oh,
wrap.
nice. Like a puppet.
I almost like bubble wrap in real life.
Yeah. me
Imagine
too.
seeing this in real life.
I love bubble wrap.
I died.
They're so.
I fell off.
Wait.
I'll just buy a collab. Sorry guys, what did I say that language? Did I say a freaking language?
Yeah, I wanna go to it. I wanna go to it.
Please get I'm here.
Again? I just took it.
I'm thin.
I
I'm
took
thin.
I took.
Huge.
Honey, you wanna be like me? Haha.
Oh, look.
Honey,
Hello.
Honey.
Hello, Kiyoti.
Nice. You wanna be with me?
Oh, no.
like you.
No. I was going in it, but you guys pushed me.
Great.
In real
Can I have
life.
a cup of coffee? I'm getting water.
I need coffee so I can stay awake
I want
through the
mocha
trip.
cappuccino. Oh no, guys. I want a mocha cappuccino. You want the mocha?
Cappuccino?
I said puffertino.
Whatever. I'm just gonna die. Let's kill myself.
Why do you want?
Ah! I will die. Whatever.
I don't know.
I'm gonna die. Oh!
What the hell?
Okay, I am Pod, you might know.
Wait, I don't know.
This way.
Wait, I don't
Ah! I knew it was. Oh, no.
Oh yeah, I need to go. Yeah.
Oh, are you kidding me? Stop, please.
I did warn her of.
Oh!
This please for me.
My name is Mr. King. Let's
Mr.
just say.
King.
Can you stop forgetting?
Why does he leave?
Ah!
Wait, I wanna go. Mom.
Me and her Kaya did it to the end.
Yay! I can. Okay, you guys are eating popcorn. I don't like popcorn so much, but I'm just gonna have a taste.
It's salty.
Guys, you want a popcorn? Okay.
That's disgusting.
What the hell is wrong with you?
Come on, run!
Like the FBI can see you chewing.
Who?
Okay, you came back.
That popcorn was so disgusting. Ah, no!
What?
Things paused.
Really?
Who the hell is Jenna?
Yeah, I don't know who's Jen.
Do you know her?
I don't know her. It's just
Just a joke. Whatever.
It's a nice, lovely joke.
It's just a
What
joke.
the hell? Did
We-
someone just burp?
We don't want to know about his other.
Did someone burp?
What? I still remember this maze. Follow me.
Way good.
Follow me.
Because only our friend was able to do it. Right?
Yeah. Oh, wait. Wrong way. To this way. Come on, very fast. Just keep running and running. I am paused. Oh, sorry. Mr. King, stop! What is wrong with you?
Mr. King.
What is too long?
Mr. King, where are you?
No, just keep going. Okay, guys, I'm the worst. I took us back to the dead end. Sorry.
It's all your fault. Now we only have 19 or 18 seconds.
Guys, I'm pretty
No,
sorry.
it's not 17. It's 11.
I'm pretty sorry. Well, yeah, we're gonna lose. Just sorry. I'm so sorry.
Okay, our friend was able to do it. Just a few seconds.
Oh, sorry. I did not do that. Sorry.
Ah,
Whatever. I think I was so going the wrong way. I'm just kidding. Whatever.
Oh, not you again.
No, yeah, there. Yeah.
Shut up.
Ah. Ah! Oh no, that's what I get for looking at that chat. Oh my god.
Now it's all your fault because you look in the chat. Now the mouse is broken. Okay. What the hell's wrong with you? Like, she's like, I'm like, who's Zanna? She said, oh, it's you. What's wrong with you? Okay.
And one of them is
don't
writing
tell me
it.
again. Who's Zanna? Don't tell me again. It's Zanna. And I'm not Zanna. I don't know who is Zanna. And she's like, what are you, stupid weirdo? I like whatever.
Come on, we'll fight with laser guns. Ah!
I died.
Don't kill me.
Okay.
Oopsie.
Ah! I killed her.
And you kill me.
What? I did not kill you.
Sorry.
Oh, I told him I'm not gonna kill you.
Kill me when there's something.
No.
Okay? Okay, Yusuf?
Okay, fine. My name is Mr. King.
Mr. King.
Can you stop? I'm recording.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, I pressed yes by mistake.
Look at me. We fell down.
Guys, did you know my cousin's hair color is pink? I'm kidding.
She's dressing blonde. We didn't. Well, not we
It's
didn't.
blonde. Her hair is blonde. And mine is blonde too.
I hate this part.
Imagine whoever loves blonde, tell me in the comment below. Okay. I really love blonde.
My hair is not blonde.
Yeah, even me. I was kidding.
What
Ugh, I died.
Wait, guys, just gonna see some.
My hair is brunettes.
I hate.
Guys, by the way, guys, I don't know. I was just a character, and on here, oh no, I cannot do it anymore. Oh, poor me. Oh no, dude, poor me. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.
I hope you